Hello students. Welcome to your school YouTube channel. Today's topic is, what is matter and what are its states? So without wasting time, let's quickly start the video and learn. What is matter? In simple words, matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. If something can be touched, seen, weighed, or takes up space, it is matter. The desk you sit on, the water you drink, the air you breathe, and even your own body are all made of matter. Matter is everywhere around us. Some forms of matter are easy to see, like a book or a stone. Some are not easy to see, like air or gas, but they are still matter because they have mass and take up space. For example, when you blow air into a balloon, the balloon expands. This shows that air occupies space, so air is also matter. All matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms and molecules. These particles are so small that we cannot see them with our eyes. The way these particles are arranged and how much they move decides the state of matter. States of matter. Matter exists in different forms called states of matter. The main states of matter that we study in school are solid, liquid, and gas. Let's understand each one step by step. 1. Solid. A solid has a fixed shape and a fixed volume. This means it does not change its shape or size easily. In solids, the particles are packed very closely together. They have very little space between them and can only vibrate in their places. Examples of solids are a book, a chair, a pencil, and a stone. If you put a solid in a container, it will not take the shape of the container. A solid object is usually hard and not easy to compress. 2. A liquid has a fixed volume but no fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. In liquids, the particles are close together, but not as tightly packed as in solids. Because of this, the particles can move around more freely. Examples of liquids include water, milk, oil, and juice. Liquids can flow easily. If you pour water from one glass into another, it changes its shape, but the amount of water stays the same. Liquids are difficult to compress, but easier than solids. 3. Gas. A gas has neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. It spreads out and fills the entire container. In gases, the particles are very far apart and move freely in all directions at high speed. Examples of gases are air, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and steam. Gases are easy to compress. This is why gases like LPG and oxygen are stored in cylinders. Even though we cannot see most gases, they are still matter. Change of states. Matter can change from one state to another by changing temperature. For example, ice solid melts to become water liquid. Water boils and becomes steam gas. Gas can cool down and become liquid again. These changes show that matter does not disappear, it only changes its form. Conclusion. Matter is everything around us that has mass and occupies space. It exists mainly in 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. Each state has different properties based on how the particles are arranged and how they move. Understanding matter and its state helps us understand many things in daily life, from cooking food to breathing air. Hello students, let's get to know me. The type of videos I make here are very important for your school, college, and higher studies. I do a lot of research and find answers to your questions. But for physical problems, I make voice-overs through AA. I upload 1 videos here every day. If you have any problem, please comment and let me know what your problem is and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Thank you on behalf of your school YouTube channel.